Hey everyone, it's Bill, and I'm going to be talking about social networking for my Web 2.0 video podcast. And I'm basically just going to be telling you what it does, what it is, and benefits, cons, and all that stuff. Give you a simple definition of Web 2.0 technology of social networking is Facebook and MySpace. That's the simplest definition that you can get. Uh, and I'll tell you some pros and cons of social networking sites like Facebook and MySpace. Some pros is that it connects people. Say you haven't seen someone since middle school and you want to connect with them, see what they're up to. You can search on MySpace or Facebook. If they have an account, you can friend request them and catch up. And if they know who you are, if they remember, you can connect and catch up on each other and see how each of you are doing. Also, it's a good way to um, share photos, share video, share your thoughts. Plethora of things you can share. Um, you can share how you're feeling with a little status bar on Facebook, um, or on MySpace, the same type of thing. Like, say I'm feeling like holy crap. It's the end of my first year in college. Where's the time gone? And do I have a job for the summer? That sounds scary. But that's something I would be feeling right now. And I post that on my status on Facebook or MySpace. Another pro to social networking would be creating a sense of community. An example would be I'm a part of the Wheaton Christian Grammar School Facebook group, and this is a group of people um, that went to Wheaton Christian Grammar School, my middle school, and they've come together and create a group, and it's a small community within this group. Um, it's not you're not interacting with them physically, personally, but you are able to see who's out there, what they're doing in this small group, in this small community. So that's a pro for social networking. Also, it's a personal journal. Like I said, the status bar on Facebook is a shortened version of a personal journal, you could say. Also, MySpace in the description. I know that when I used MySpace and I looked at my friends' pages, it was basically a journal of what they do, who they are, what they like, what they like to do in free time, different stuff like that. Just in the description, it's a personal journal. So that's some pros. Some cons would be privacy. Let me catch my breath here. Sorry. Privacy. MySpace had a problem with this, and it was a big problem, and it's partly because why a lot of people have, even though MySpace is still has the most users. I think a lot of people have switched from MySpace to Facebook because people were creating accounts, posing as posing as people who they weren't. Uh, they were lying about their age, especially like with sex offenders. I know it's sick and wrong, but it happens, and it did happen, and it probably still happens now. But they've kind of cracked down on that. And I think Facebook is a little upgrade from MySpace in the sense of privacy and security and who people are and their identity and stuff like that. But privacy is a con. Also, less personal interaction with people is also a con and downfall of a downfall of our society today. Our society today is based on media. We use media a lot in everything we do. Whether you're 60 or you're 12, you're using media. And we're using social networking sites like MySpace and Facebook to talk to each other. Instead of, say, walking across campus to talk to a friend for like a half hour to hang out, get some coffee, whatever, you talk on Facebook chat, or you write on their wall. And which, in some cases, it's all right. Person lives 1,000 miles away. You can't just walk to their house and say, "Hey, what's up?" You do it through Facebook's, through social networking sites. But a lot of people have been getting lazy and just using, Facebook chat, messages, stuff like that, to communicate when they could easily walk and talk to the person. And it's a shame that, we're getting less and less personal, and it's partly us and partly the media. We've gotten so used to using the media, and we're just falling into this rut of less personal interaction. So there's a con for social networking. Social networking is big. Web 2.0 technology, it has grown rapidly within the past couple years, and I'm sure it will continue to grow in the future. It'll improve. It'll revamp. It'll come out with new social networking sites, and it's a big Web 2.0 technology that we have today, and that in a nutshell is what social networking is. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you already didn't know about it, there you go. If you did know about it, well, I just reinforced it for you. So that's my video podcast. I'm going to catch my breath because I've been talking forever, but everyone have a good day, and God bless.